Hello everyone, Jainam Shah this side, and today we are going to see how we can perfectly prompt our Claude, right? Now, many times I have seen this thing that many of you are prompting, you're giving wrong prompts to your LLMs or your Claude, and then you're expecting a correct output or desired output from your Claude. Now, this won't be possible till you are not going to give a correct prompt to your Claude, right? A basic example of this would be something like this. Suggest me some videos I can make. Now, as you guys know that I have a YouTube channel and I upload videos over here. So I would be asking some topics from Claude, right? Now, if I'm going to go with a very vague prompt like this, I would be getting a very vague output also from the Claude, right? So if you want a correct output from Claude, there are four steps by which we are going to go with. Rule number one, which we are going to follow over here, that we are going to tell Claude who it is, right? Over here, let's suppose if I'm going to go with this thing, suggest me some videos I can make. And if I'm going to tell that you are a YouTube content strategist specializing in AI and automation tutorials. So it is going to create one bar for it. Basically, we are increasing the alter ego of our LLMs. That's what we can say. So we are going to write down this thing. We are going to define a role for our LLM or our Claude. Second thing, what we are going to do, we are going to give our Claude some context, right? What is your situation? That's what you are going to explain to the Claude first. So over here, if I'm going to go with this thing that I make a YouTube video, this is very, very vague again. But if I'm going to go with this thing that I run a YouTube channel called Jainam Shah for beginners learning Cloud AI and Anytime automation. So if you're going to see my previous videos, you will find Anytime automation as well. And I have made videos on this topics, right? So it is going to be a context for it. Moving on, we are going to be very, very specific over here, right? That what it has supposed to do over here. So we are going to tell Claude exactly what kind of output you want. If you're going to give a vague input, you would be getting a vague output. So give me some ideas. This is very vague. But let's suppose if I'm going to say suggest ideas that are beginner friendly, right? So I want beginner friendly ideas right now, and which is trending also, right? And this should be under 10 minutes. So I'm giving some conditions which are needed to be fulfilled. And last part, that we are going to give the format, that in this format only you're going to give me output. So I'm going to say, give me five video ideas. For each one, you are going to write down the title, who it is for, and how many and why we will get views from this. So all these things we are going to, it is going to write down, or it is going to give me. So we are going to give a format. So basically, we are going to give a role, we are going to give a context, we are going to give, we are going to ask, we are going to be very specific over here, and we will give a format to it. Fine. So there is a very vague prompt over here, and this is the correct. So we are going to go with both of them. So let's open our Claude first. So as you guys know that I am using VS Code for this. Either you can go with the VS Code also, you can go with the terminal also. There are other IDs also. If you guys need any other video based on this, just write down in comment box. I will make sure that I can create a video for this. So guys, this is how it's going to look. On left hand side, you are going to see all the files and folders, and on the right hand side, you are going to talk with the Claude. Fine. But we are not going to go with this folder, right? We are going to create a new folder. So it would be easy for you to understand. So we are going to go with this. We are going to go with new folder. If you're going to see over here, there is zero files inside our new folder. There is nothing over here, right? So yeah, we are going to go with this. Clicking this, you will able to see your Claude code over here with which you're going to talk, right? We can close this welcome window over here, and yeah. So let's suppose we are going with very vague prompt over here, which is this one. Suggest me some YouTube videos that I can make We would be pasting this for my YouTube channel. Right. Let's see what it is coming with. Also, if you're going to go over here, you would able to see what it is thinking for, right? Now it is going to go with some of the, okay, so it is asking my niche over here. What is your YouTube? Fine. So over here we can go with others, and I'm going to write down Claude learning tutorials. So that's what we are going with. We are going to press enter over here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so it is coming with this ideas. So these are for the beginner friendlies. These are for the intermediate. This is advanced over here, right? And this is the trending over here. So again, this is not specifically for me, right? This is very vague output over here. So let's suppose now if we want to go with our better prompt. So we are going to copy this better prompt from here, right? The same thing which I have explained you guys over here, same thing is this. This is a combined formed of all four rules, right? So I'm going to copy this. We would be pasting this over here. Okay. So if you guys know, there is something called as a YouTube analysis. So those files are also with me. So I'm thinking of pasting them as well over here. So let's open uploads file from the computer. Over here, we would be going to downloads, and there is one of the file which is zip. This one we are going to go with, and we would be, yeah. And I would be giving my YouTube channel link also, right? So I guess we are going to open our YouTube channel first. Mm, yeah, and from here we are going to copy our link. I guess we can go over here only. Yeah, share channel, and that's the reason probably I'm not having much subscribers. I don't even know how to share. Anyways, so we would be going with this. I would be copying my link from here. I would be pasting this over here, and let's hit enter. Let's see what we are going to get with. Yeah, so thinking where you guys can see all these things over here, and it is, see, if you're going to see over here best performing videos, key insights, so it is seeing how many subscribers we have. We gain only 3 subscribers. What is our CTR ratio? How many maximum views we have got? Everything. And from here, it is going to give us some suggestions. Here are my analysis of your YouTube channel. Your best city up, build your first game, 10%. Okay, okay. Stop sharing your data. Got to, okay. So these are the video ideas, right? I built a full website in 10 minutes using cloud. Okay, run any AI chatbot. Okay, so I guess I should be going with this topics for the next video. Cloud memory explained. Okay, build your own AI assistant that reads your file. Okay, chat. Fine. Fine. I guess, guys, you already have seen the topics which I would be coming with for the further videos. Fine. So, see, over here it is saying also who it is for. So, people who haven't committed to an AI tool yet, the largest beginner audience on the YouTube, right? And why it will get views. So, that's also the reason we are getting over here. Fine. So, this is more tailored towards my YouTube channel. This is more tailored towards me. And this is how you are going to prompt your Claude. Fine. So yeah, we are keeping up to here. For further, if you guys have anything to discuss, you can write down in comment box. Fine.